Hello, as you can see, I'm talking on the radio. How am I accomplishing this? You probably already know because it's in the title. Now let's take a look at the transmitter. And here it is, a CZH-05B. It's a little FM stereo transmitter, and I think it's, 0.5 watts? I don't know, I don't really remember those specifications because I barely looked at them, although you can find them online. But yeah, I've just, if you want to hear it work, with some music, I've got my little cassette player here. And over there is my Philips radio. And it sounds really good. And I can adjust the volume here. Of course, I'm using this the complete opposite way to how you're really supposed to use it. You use your immovable audio system as your sort of source, and then you use the little thing here, in this case, the Walkman, as the receiver, so you can listen to it about the house, and not using your portable thing as the source, but it's just a little demonstration and test of the thing. It's a lovely little thing in an aluminium case, and I can just change the frequency like that, nice easy. Microphones don't seem to work so well. My microphones don't seem to work so well with it. I'll turn that down. But my microphones don't seem to work so well with it, but then again I'm using microphones that are 40, 50 years old and definitely not designed to work with modern stuff. But yeah, and it's just got a little rubber aerial here. I don't remember what the name is for them, the little springy things. And that just clips on with a BNC connector. So yeah, it's a cool little unit. I am very tempted to confuse the neighbours with my own little personal radio station, but not yet. Maybe we'll see. We'll see what happens. It is tempting to have my own personal radio station, but apparently this can go quite far. But I'm not sure about in the city. Yeah, in the country, you can cover quite a distance. I think. Again, I did just flick through the manual. I think there's something about 300 meters or something distance. I don't know. Anyway, I'm playing this cassette too. Hit Guitar, you may have seen that in one of my garage sale videos. And I really like the music. If you're into sort of instrumental versions of popular songs and all that, you'll probably like it. The best thing about this though is I have two more. I got all three in a sort of bundle for a very good price. I couldn't resist. I love little transmitters, and I've wanted one for a while, and now yeah, I've got two more, and yeah, they're power supplies and little aerials. And yeah, it's like sort of like new, two like new, one used. But yeah, there you go. A cool little unit, and I got two more. I don't know what I'll be up to, whether I'll have multiple stations or see if I can have them sort of in a row, all transmitting the same frequency or something. I don't know. Actually, that'd be funny to have one transmitting and then another little radio connected to it as the source, and then just sort of a relay. But there you go. Cool little things. Oh, and this is Tifa 2. I like this song. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. It's just a cool little thing. And you can just turn it off like that. And there you go. And yeah, it just connects to the power supply. You could probably put this in, take this around too, because it's 12 volts. You could probably connect this in your car. Well, I don't know why you'd need to do that, but unless you really wanted to do a clever pirate radio station that's moving all the time. I'm just providing plenty of naughty tips that, if you want pirate radio stories, I think it's Ray's Ghost Pirate Radio Stories or something like that. Great YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description because he's got some great stories. But yeah, you could have this as a portable little station, although it'd be very hard for other people to tune in because, again, I don't think it has that much range, especially in the city and if you're moving about in a car. Although you could fit different aerials onto it. But yeah, there you go. Cool little unit for just... Yeah, really, it's designed so you can just go around the house or your property and listen to some music that you've got on your stereo or something without having to carry something around. So I think it does that job perfectly well. You can also have multiple people listening to the same thing without having to, I don't know, share it or something. You can each have your own little radio or little radio Walkman. You can have that with you and just have one music thing, as long as no one wants to skip tracks. Yeah. I just think they're fun to run your own little station. And it's just playing the radio now, so... have you enjoyed that? Again, another rambly unscripted video. I really should try scripting these. Thanks for watching, and don't do anything illegal, I'll just say that so I don't get in trouble. Bye.